What you doing, Paisley? Did you get out of your bed? Show Mama how you got out of your bed.
I out of bed.
You got out of your bed?
Yeah.
On your own?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Show me how. Show Mama how you did it.
This, that,
Show me how.
this,
You climbed over the rail?
baby.
I see you. Show me how you did it.
Oh, my tent.
You pulled your tent into the bed.
Yeah.
And did you step out onto the chest over there?
Yes.
Ma'am?
This room.
Wow, you big girl. We have to go to the store now and buy you a big girl bed. Do you want a big girl bed?
Yeah.
Woo!
I can sit down. Go over here.
Alright, let me put you in and show me how you did it.
And that's me.
Show Mama how you climbed out. Okay.
My feet.
Right. It's okay. Put your feet on the bed. There you go. Mommy's proud of you, baby.